to discuss about binary to the decimal means conversion. We are going to study about today conversion. Means conversion is what? We are going to discuss about how to convert binary number into the decimal number, and again we discuss about that how we can convert decimal number to the binary number. Means this is the topic of conversion, and this is the for class 7. Now we are going to start about that conversion. Here is the steps given there. Conversion of binary to the decimal base 2 to base 10. Numbers and the back is importance. Concept understanding the binary number system from the basic of the all computers and the digital system. Here we are going to discuss about that how we can change the binary number system. Now listen here. Now we are going to discuss how to change the binary number into the decimal number. Here, see here. This sum formula is our given. Means n is the real positive number, b is the digits, and q is the base value, and this symbol is there. Now we are going to the decimal number system. Decimal number system is what? That's number which we using in our daily basis. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are the decimal number system. Now we can say that these all are the numbers in the decimal number system. 6,100. So this is all are the basic of the decimal number. Now the binary number systems we are going to discuss now. The binary number systems is the most fundamental numeric system in digital in computer. Means we can say that binary number base is base 2 and the decimal number base is base 10. Here representing of the binary number system. See here how we can represent the binary number system conversion. See here we are going to convert binary number into the decimal number system. Now see here this, and again we can this the binary value, this, and this is the decimal number. See here 1 1, this already given over here. Now we are going to understand that how this number we have converted. Now repeat the division by the two methods. See here division means how we can divide the numbers. All these numbers were given in this format. Now we are see that how this number were divided. See here this number is given over there. Binary names and the prefix means we are going to study about the binary number. Means 1 is 1 bit, 4 is 4 number, 8 is byte, 16 word, 32 double word, 64 quarter word. They are the prefix number. And also we are going to discuss about the number byte system. Means here we are going to discuss about the that is called the memory management in our computer system. Means here we are going to discuss about the 1024 is 10 to the power 10 base in the KB is kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and the terabyte. Here we are going to see about the binary to the decimal summary. See here these all are the summary of our given here. In the next classes we will discuss about the conversion. Now I am going to show you how we can convert this. See here, suppose that 11011 is given here. Now we are going to change this number. Means that here when we convert this number into the decimal number, now we can find that what is the value of this binary number into this number. See here 1 2 into 1, here again 2 into 1, here give here this value. First of all come with 1 2 3 4 5. Here is 5, then we start from the 2 into 2 power value 0 1, and same like this our value. And see here when we multiply, then the 2 over 0 is equal to its value is always 1. See here, then also this also comes to, and this value is equal to 0, and 2 power 3 is equal to 8, and 2 power 4 is 16, and 16 plus 8. Okay, how much it will become when 16 plus 8 is equal to, I think 24, 24, 22, 26 and 27. Now we will discuss the next number. See here, this is the binary number and this is the binary number, and again this how we are converted, and this result will become the 99. When we add this number, this becomes the 99. See how this happening, means how we can perform this number in there. Next is that, see here, in the same way we are converting, means that we are converting the binary number into the decimal number. That decimal number is the base 10, we can say that. Okay, and this is the final conversion of the binary. In the next conversion we discuss about how we can convert decimal into the binary number. Thank you.